Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening, good evening everyone. Good evening. Let's join all the people. Let's join all the people. Let's check audio video okay or not. Let's check audio video okay or not. Yeah, in the last class, I think right, we discussed about the syllabus, right? So write a program to, I think we done small programs also. We done yesterday small programs also we done. And write a program to swap two numbers, right? The purpose of the yesterday's class is just introduction. Let me share the screen once. I'm sharing the screen. Yeah, this is the thing. Yesterday what happened? Let me share the screen. Yeah, this is the thing. So yesterday we started from here. So syllabus for Python programming, we started from here. So afterwards, right, sample programs I written. Hello world in the C language how, Python how. Right, next one, adding two numbers in C language how, Python language how. But after seeing these two examples, I said to you, Python language easy and very simple. Right, and one more thing is in the Python types, right, types, A contain only integer, no. A can be anything depending upon what value you will store. So types are keep on changing. So dynamic types, variable types while running keep on changing. Okay, fine. One more example I given to explain, right, what is the simplest way or easy way of Python programming comparing with other programming languages. I given one more example. I think some people didn't get also because starting itself you cannot get. Right, now come here now. Python language, something about Python language I said. It is a high level language. Python is a high level language like C, Java, C++. It is a procedural language. Procedural or logic. It is a procedural or logic programming language like C language. It is an object-oriented programming language like C++ and Java. It is a scripting language also. That is the reason nowadays it is so trending. It will be used in many places. Right? Python will be used in many places. It is a scripting language like Perl and Shell script. Next one. I think the fifth point. Let me write one more point. The fifth point. It is independent of the right. It is independent of the platform. It is independent of the platform. That means right, that means in one computer you can compile, in another computer you can run. It is independent of the right platform. In one computer you can compile, in another computer you can run. It is independent of the platform, which is also called as platform independent, right? It is independent of the platform. That is one more thing. And one more thing is it is interpreted language. It is an interpreted language. So means it is not like compilation followed by running, right? In the place of compiler here, interpreter. What the interpreter will do is it will do line by line compilation and running. If at all this is the program, what the interpreted languages will do is it will take the first line, it will compile and it will run. Second line it will take, it will compile and it will run. Third line it will take, it will compile and it will run. This is the meaning of interpreted languages. Interpreted languages, what will happen is they will take a lot of time. The problem with the interpreted language is they will take a lot of time because line by line compiling, running, line by line compiling and running, right? So it will take a lot of time. Advantage is all possible errors it will give. Suppose in the line number 1 error is there, so it will say line number 1 error is there. While doing line number 2, if at all any error, it will say line number 2 error is there. Because of line by line you are going, errors point of view, it will give more clarity. But when you are running the program, because of the interpreted language, line by line compiling and running, line by line compiling and running, it is going to be a slow language. It is an interpreted language, means it is slow, right? What is the meaning of interpreted language? Line by line it will read, it will compile, it will run. Let me write now. Line by line it will read. Total program it don't read. Line by line it will read, followed by it will compile, followed by it will run. Line by line it will read, and afterwards it will compile, it afterwards it will run. Because of that reason, right? So Python language is slow. That is the reason Python language is slow. If anyone asks you why Python language is slow, actually it is very simple. It is very easy to understand. There are so many advantages are there, but still why Python language is slow? If anyone asks you, simply say it is an interpreted language. Means line by line it will read, it will compile, it will run. Because of line by line it is doing, Python language is slow. If anyone asks you why Python language is slow, please say this. Please say this. It is independent of the platform. Means in one computer you can compile, in another computer you can run. It is independent of the platform also. Right. Next one, seventh one. If you see the one more point, seventh one, if you see, it is the extendable. Python is an extendable language. It is an extendable language. It means the meaning of this line is Python is an extendable language. The meaning is right. So you can write Python language, right, in some other programming language also. Suppose I have one Python program, so that program I can keep in some other program also, in some other language. You can extendable. You can extend it. And one more thing is, right, try to understand this also. In other program also you can keep Python program. In Python program also you can keep other programs also. Means multiple languages. One program contain multiple languages, right? In Python program you can keep other languages also. In other language, in other programs also you can keep Python also. It is extendable. You have to use only Python? No. In one program there can be a multiple languages. In one program there can be a multiple languages. It is extendable. This language is extendable. That is the reason Python language became famous. And one more thing is it is an open source. Python language is an open source language. It is an open source language. That means you no need to buy, right? So source code is freely available. Source code is freely available. You can download that code. You can change whatever way you like. It is an open source programming language. It is an open source programming language. That means that right, code is available freely. That means code is available freely. You download that code. You can change whatever way you like. Depending upon your requirement, you can, right, you can change the code also. It is an extendable programming language. It is an open source programming language. It is an interpreted language. It is independent of the platform. It is a scripting language like Perl and Shell script. It is an object-oriented programming language like C++, Java. It is a procedural or logical programming language like C. It is a high-level programming language like C, C++, Java. These will be useful. These will be useful theoretically. These will be useful theoretically. Please try to understand. All these points are really useful, really useful. Please let me know if anyone having any doubt. If anyone says, sir, I have these doubts, please let me know. Theoretically, they will be useful to you. If anyone having any doubt, let me know. Check once. Small doubt also there. Sir, Reddy sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. And one more thing, I think we are already written also. It is a dynamically typed language. I will write that also. It is dynamically typed language. Already I mentioned. I will write once again. It is a dynamically typed language. 10th point, I think one or two things are pending. Yeah, platform independent, which is also called portability. It is a platform independent. It is independent of platform, which is also called as portability. Technical word is portability. Technical word is portability. It is independent of the platform. Means in one computer you can compile, in another computer you can run. In one compiler you can compile, so in one computer you can compile, in another computer you can run. It is independent of the platform, which is also called as portability. It is an interpreted language. Line by line it will read. Line by line it will read. And afterwards it will compile, it will run. Because of it is doing line by line. Python language is slow. Line by line you are doing. So Python language is slow because of that reason. Right? Many people think that Python language is faster. No, it is an interpreted language. Because of that reason, Python language became slow. It is an extendable language. Means in Python program, you can keep other programming languages also. In Python language, you can keep other programming languages also. In other programming languages, you can keep Python also. It is an extendable programming language. It is an open source programming language. That means it is an open source programming language. That means code is available. Total source code is available. You can download from internet. You can change whatever way you like. It is a dynamically typed programming language. It is a dynamically typed programming language. That means whenever running is going on, program is running, types are keep on changing. Types are keep on changing. If any point is there, I will write that also. These are not that much important. It is better to know all the things. Yeah, I think one more important one. Python language contain very big library. So many functions are predefined functions are there. So many predefined functions are there. So it is having the huge number of very big library available. Python language contain. Let me write this also. Python language contain many built-in functions. Many built-in functions. Not one or two, many built-in functions. Python language contain many built-in functions, not one or two, many built-in functions are there. Right? Not one or two, many built-in functions. Right? Some people are asking, sir, where Python will be used? Reddy sir, where Python will be used? Let me write that also. Where Python will be used? Let me write that also. Not required. So Python applications. So where Python will be used? Nowadays, if you see, everywhere Python only there. Everywhere. The reason is right for developing desktop applications. Desktop applications. Desktop applications, we are using Python. Python applications. Python applications. Right? For desktop applications, we are using Python. Desktop applications, we are using Python. That is one thing. And one more thing is web applications also. Web applications also, we are using Python. Web applications also, we are using Python. Next one, database applications also. All the data related stuff. There also there is a Python. Database. In database applications also we are using Python. That is the reason most of the times we are using Python nowadays. Desktop applications also we are using Python. Web applications also we are using Python. Database applications also we are using Python. Right? In these three. Next one is going to be for networking applications also. Networking applications also we are using Python. Developing games also. Developing games also we are using. Developing games we are using Python. So fifth one, sixth one, these all will be theoretical things, right? It is better to write one time. I am writing. Next one is going to be, right, data analysis, data analytics, whatever it is, right? Data analysis applications also. When you want to analyze data, there also data analysis applications also people will use Python language. Seventh one, for machine learning applications also, for ML applications also, we are using Python. For AI applications also, we are using Python. For IoT applications also, like I think OTT platform, something like this. For IoT. For IoT applications also, we are using Python. The only place where we are not using the Python is going to be, the only place where we are not using is for mobile applications. For mobile applications, we cannot use Python. This is the drawback. For mobile applications, we are not using Python. This is the only drawback. For mobile applications, we are not using Python. For mobile applications, we are not using Python. Right? And one more thing. So let me write one or two points are there. Those also I will write. Afterwards, we will go to the actual topic. Right? Afterwards, we will go to the actual topic. And one more thing is internally, Google also uses Python. Internally, Google uses Python. Internally, YouTube also uses Python. Internally, Google also uses Python. YouTube also uses Python. Next one, Microsoft also uses Python. Internally, Microsoft also uses Python. IBM also. So these all are using Python. I want to say that big companies also using Python. Google also, YouTube also, Microsoft also, IBM also using Python. Right. Yeah, let me know if anyone having any doubts. Till now, if anyone having any doubt, these are all are not important. One time, please go through it. Any small doubt also there, please let me know. Any small doubt also. These are the theoretical things. Just it is better to know one time. It is better to write one time I written. Google uses Python, YouTube also, Microsoft also, IBM also. These are using the Python internally. For mobile applications, we are not using Python. This is the big drawback. Big drawback of Python is going to be mobile application, we are not using Python. And the networking applications also we are using. Database applications also we are using Python. Web applications also we are using Python. Desktop applications also we are using Python. Developing games also we are using Python. Data analysis applications also we are using Python. For ML also, AI also, IoT applications also, we are using Python. For mobile applications, we are not using Python. Google, YouTube, Microsoft, IBM uses Python. There may be so many companies, but big company names I written. Let me know anyone having any doubts. Until now, I am not done anything. Just introduction happened. Until now, I am not done anything. Just introduction happened. Just introduction. Just introduction is happened. So let's go to next. Before going to the next, right? Before going to the actual topic, let me say something about EPT. In the EPT, so if you see the 2025 GATE examination, we got all India rank, number 1 rank, we got all India rank. In GATE CSE examination, we got the 4th rank. 1, 2, 3 rankers only for namesake there in the exam. We got all India rank, best rank for GATE CSE we got. So we got so many ranks, These all are our rankers. So many ranks we got, not 1 or 2, so many ranks. In GATE 2025, we got the All India best rank. We got so many ranks also. We got not 1 or 2, so many. We are unable to produce all of them because of lack of space and all. We are unable to write. See all the people we are publishing here. Now let's go to next one. So many people are asking why to join EPT. Live classes also there, recorded classes also there. Any number of times you can watch, and daily quizzes also there. Everyday quizzes also there. If anyone not there in our Telegram group, please see the description our Telegram group there. In our Telegram group, every day daily quizzes are going on. If you are not there, please see the description. You will see the Telegram group link there. From there you can join. And quick doubt solving also there. Everyday doubt solving. Within 30 minutes your doubt will be solved. If you post any doubt, within 30 minutes, your doubt is going to be solved. Next one, GATE PYQs and verified questions, approximately 10,000 questions. PYQs and verified questions we are going to provide you. Trail courses also there. And one-to-one mentorship also. If you have any doubt, if you want to discuss anything, so you can personally chat with me. You can personally chat with all the EPT educators. So one-to-one personal mentorship also there. Every Saturday 2 o'clock. There is a mentorship also available every Saturday. Next one, all important formulas also will provide to you. AIR1 notes also, handwritten notes also will provide. Next one, you can directly learn from me. I have approximately 16 years of experience. I guided so many toppers. I guided most of the toppers from my side. From the last 16 years, I guided so many people. And my colleagues, if you see, AIR1, Abhinav AIR1, Mithali Madam, 10th ranker. Right, next one is Oma Sir, which is having the 20 years of experience of mathematics person. And so many, all the toppers are there, all the best faculty available. In India itself, best faculty available. Me, Mithali Madam, AIR1, Abhinav, Nidhi Madam, Uma Sir. So best faculty in India for CSE we have. Best faculty in India for CSE we have. That is the reason we got the top rank. We got the top rank for GATE CSE. Right? And GATE CSE and GATE DA, we got the top rank because of that reason. Next one, right? Top quality material and test series. From the EPT test series, last year 59 questions came from. Right? All the test, right? All the sets if I consider from EPT test series, approximately 59 questions came. Approximately 59. Job notifications also we are going to provide. Right? In the private sector, public sector, whatever jobs are there, we are going to provide every day in our Telegram channel and WhatsApp chat, right? WhatsApp group. Next one, right? So for GATE 2026 test series also already launched. If anyone is not joined, my suggestion is please utilize it. 100 plus tests are there. 70 topic wise and subject wise tests will be there. 20 full length test will be there. So 10 mock tests also available. Now one more thing, important thing I want to say to you. If you are preparing for GATE 2026, 1 year course you can join. GATE 2026, if you are preparing 1 year course, name is regular course. If you are preparing for GATE 2027, 2 years course, foundation course, you can join. If you are right, if you are a dropper, if you want crash course for 6 months, you can go for this also. For droppers, crash course is preferable. For the 2027 people, foundation course. For the 2026 people, regular course. Next one for all the people, practice purpose. For all the people, right? For all the people, practice purpose, rank improvement course, where 5,000 quality questions with video solutions will be available. 5,000 quality questions with video solutions are available. One-to-one mentorship also there. One-to-one mentorship also there. If you want to take a mentorship, you can take. Test series also there. 1 year validity. All best questions will be there. 100 tests will be there. Right. Next one. I think today's class just started now. Today's class just started now. Can you see this one time? It's a very, very interesting one. Today's class just started now. Today's class just started now. From here it is started. To be frank, today's class is just started now. See everyone, please can you read this program one time? Read this program one time. Read this program one time. What is the output of this program? This is the program. This is the program. What is the output of this program? Everyone, whoever watching, please see this. Please see this one. Whoever watching, please see what is the output of this program. I'm trying one by one. It is the first program. In my opinion, it is the first program where some basics are there. I want to explain some basics to you. That is the reason I given this problem. Basics. Basics purpose is the problem number 1. Example 1 for basics. For basics purpose, example 1. Let's see what happened. A is equal to 10. Okay. Inside A, 10 will be stored. Remember, A is called as variable, which is also called as identifier. Let me explain. A is A. Here A is a variable name. A is a variable name, which is also called as identifier name. A is an identifier, which is also called identifier. Function name or variable name is known as identifier. So A is a identifier. So when you say this one, right? When you say A is equal to 10, A purpose in the main memory, RAM area. Whenever you say A is equal to 10, for A purpose in the main memory, RAM area, some memory will be allocated. So let us assume that A, right? A for the A memory allocated in the RAM area, at the 1000 memory location, memory allocated. Inside you are storing 10. That is the first line. When you say A is equal to 10, for the variable A in the main memory, RAM area, some memory will be allocated. Integer, some bytes of memory will be allocated. Integer, some bytes of memory will be allocated. Suppose assume that integer is 2 bytes. 2 bytes of memory allocated. From 1000 memory location onwards, 2 bytes of memory will be allocated. But anyhow, here sizes are doesn't matter. Simply types only. So inside A, because important thing is A type is keep on changing. A type is keep on changing. That is the reason. So the memory whichever is there, in that memory you can store anything. There is no limit. There is no limit on the size. Whenever I will say A is equal to 10, A memory allocated. How much memory doesn't matter, because inside A you can store anything. So A is not always integer. As of now, maybe integer. Afterwards, it will keep on change. In other languages, A memory will be allocated 2 bytes, fixed. But here, A memory will be allocated. How many bytes? We don't care. A memory allocated. Here, how many bytes? We don't care, because types are keep on changing. So A is equal to 10. Memory will be allocated for the variable A. This is called A is a variable name. For the variable A, in the main memory, RAM area, some bytes of memory will be allocated. So address is 1000, data is 10. First line is completed. Let's go to second line. See this one. Print A. So this will be printed. Print A, this will be printed. See the output. So first 10 will be printed. Whenever I will say print A, inside whatever is there, it will be printed. Inside whatever is there, it will be printed. That is the second line. Can you see the third line? Print type of A. Remember, type of A. Inside A, now what you store? Integer. Type of A. Type of A is int. Print int. Int will be printed. See, int will be printed. That is the second. Remember everyone, in the case of Python language, every type is one class. Every data type is one class. Try to understand. In the Python language, every data type is one class, because it is object-oriented programming language also. Python language is object-oriented programming language. In object-oriented programming language, everything is a class only. That is the reason. So in Python language, every data type is a first of all class. So print to type of A. Inside A integer there, type of A is int. Print int will be printed. So class type integer means data type is integer. That is the second line. So I think until now everyone is comfortable. Now listen everyone, until now everyone is comfortable. Now see the remaining story. Again, everyone try to understand. Again, everyone try to understand. A is equal to ExamPrepTool. See this one. A is equal to ExamPrepTool. Remember, this is called string. A is a right. A ExamPrepTool. This is string. ExamPrepTool will store inside. Right? A is ExamPrepTool. Now try to understand. So fourth line is over. Inside A, ExamPrepTool you stored. But remember everyone, double quotes. You store, right? You stored something in the form of double quotes. That means A is a string. If you want, you can check. See this one. See the fifth one. Print A. Whatever is there inside A, everything will be printed. Print A. Whatever there inside, everything will be printed. Okay. Whenever you say print A, see, whenever you say print A, inside whatever there, you printed everything. Similar way, print A, inside A, whatever there, everything will be printed. Inside A, whatever there, everything will be printed. ExamPrepTool there, ExamPrepTool will be printed. Now I think fifth line also over. Can you see the sixth line? See the sixth line, print type of A. Inside A now string is there. Type of A is string. Type of A is string. Print string. So string will be printed. So remember, until now everything is fine. I want to say one important thing to you. Inside A, first I stored the integer. Afterwards, inside A, I stored the string. And remember, if I say variable name print, whatever there inside, it will print. If I say variable name print, whatever there inside, it will print. If I say print A, inside A 10 there, first 10 printed. If I say print A, inside A string is there, string printed. So type of the first time, type of A first time, integer. Type of A second time, string. Now see the one more thing. Again, A is equal to 10.5. Inside A, 10.5, one float will be stored. Right? Address is 1000 only, same thing only. The only thing is, first time inside A integer stored, second time inside A string stored, third time inside A float stored. Okay, next one, print A. Inside whatever there, it will print. Next one, print type of A. Inside A float there. Type of A is float. Print float. Next float will be printed. Remember, every data type in Python language is a class. In Python language, every data type is a class. The purpose of this problem is, I want to explain what is variable. What is the meaning of printing a variable? Printing a variable means inside whatever there, you have to print it. Inside A, whatever there, you have to print it. Next one. A type is keep on changing. So that is the reason Python language is a dynamically typed language. Because the types are keep on changing. Some people are asking, sir, when the memory will be allocated? Whenever you say A is equal to 10, memory will be allocated. Whenever you say A is equal to 10, memory will be allocated. Next one, when A is equal to ExamPrepTool, right? So once again, memory will be allocated. Again, A is equal to 10.5. Again, memory will be allocated. Right? First here, memory will be allocated. First year memory will be allocated. Again year memory will be allocated. Maybe same memory, maybe different memory, depending upon what is available. What is available, because here one time you defined one time. A is defined here, memory will be allocated. You used also. Afterwards, you return A is equal to ExamPrepTool. Let us assume that in the same memory, I want to store ExamPrepTool, but space is not available. Memory will be allocated somewhere. In same place or different place doesn't matter. There is no guarantee that same memory will be given. Here memory given, you used. Afterwards, inside here you kept something. Inside here you kept something. Maybe in the same memory, maybe in the different memory. Suppose assume that that memory is not enough. Some other place memory will be allocated. Here also A is equal to 10.5. Memory again will be allocated. Is it same memory or different? Right? If it is a possible, same memory maybe. If not, some other memory. But there is no guarantee I will use the same memory again. So because the types are keep on changing. Types are keep on changing. So remember, this is called definition. Right? Variable definition. Variable definition. Whenever variable you define, that time memory will allocate. Whenever you define variable, that time, this is called variable definition. This is called variable definition. That time memory will be allocated. Is it same memory or different memory? If same memory possible, you will continue. If not, you may create somewhere else also. Next one, print A. Print A, 10.5 will be printed. Type also, float will be printed. Okay, until now it's fine. 9 also. Next one, remember once again. If I want to store string, I have to keep double quotes. I can keep single quotes also. Whenever you want to say string, you can keep double quotes also, you can keep single quote also. Double quote also, you can keep single quote also, you can keep. But if you want, you can verify. See the 10th point? See the 10th point. A is equal to ExamPrepTool. Inside A, the string will be stored. Okay, fine. Inside A, the string will be stored. See the 11th statement. Print A. Whatever there inside, it will print. Next one, if anyone having doubt, can you see this on 12th point? Print type of A. Type of A. Inside A, string you store. Type of A is string. Print string, right? String will be printed. So double quotes also string only. Single quotes also string only. Double quotes also string only. Single quote also string only. Is there anyone who is having doubt? It is a problem number 1. It is a problem number 1. What is printing variable? Printing variable means printing inside. Printing variable means printing inside. Next one. Whenever you say A is equal to 10, what happened? Memory will be allocated. Which memory? Main memory will be allocated. In the main memory, RAM area, ROM area, RAM area. How much memory is allocated? How much memory? See, types are keep on changing. Types are keep on changing. I cannot say how much size. Types are keep on, because one person having many memories. One person having many memories. Here size doesn't matter. In Python language, sizes doesn't matter, because right, types are keep on changing. Types are keep on changing. So types doesn't matter here. Inside here 10 will be stored. Memory will be created, 10 will be stored inside. If I say print inside whatever there, it will print. Right? Fine. Let me know if anyone having any objection. If anyone having any objection, please let me know. Anyone having doubt, let me know. Little bit also. Little bit also. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. Someone is saying that, but we can build mobile application using Python. Mobile application using Python. How? As a backend language. So mobile application, if you take the mobile application, Android, iOS, Windows, right? I'm repeating once again, right? So if you take the any mobile application, right? Front end, if you see front end, maybe Android, maybe iOS, Android or iOS, or one more thing is Windows, right? You cannot. Maybe backend purpose, maybe you can use it. Right? Fine. Thanks for asking. Right? Please let me know if anyone having any doubt. Can anyone tell me about test series of Reddy sir? Okay, yeah. So I think his name is, I don't know, talk show of IIT JEE. Yeah. Yeah. So test series, right? Just go to ExamPrepTool.com. In the test series you go, you can find out. GATE CSE or GATE DA, whichever test series you want, you can find out. It is a problem number one. Anyone having any doubt, let me know. It is a problem number one. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know. And one more thing is, I think Pankaj asked me using Python, can I do mobile application and all? It is not preferable. See, everything is possible. Pankaj, everything is possible. Everything is possible, but it is not preferable. So I cannot create a mobile application using C language. I cannot create the mobile application using some other C++ language, something like that. It may not be that much advantage. Fine. Can we go further? Can we go further? This is the problem number one. This is the output. Now to get the more clarity, I think you got some types and all. You got to know some types and all. To get the more clarity, some students are asking, sir, in Python language, what types are there, sir? Sir, in Python language, what are the types possible, right? There are so many types. I written few things, which are major things I written here. Python language contains so many data types. Python language contains so many data types. So integer data type is there. Float data type is there. Complex data type is there. Boolean data type is there. String data type is also there. List data type also there. Tuple also there. Set also there. Dictionary also there. None. There are so many. I cannot write all. Whichever is necessary, I written. Python language contain following inbuilt data types. So many there, I done the filter out. Whichever we are using frequently, I written all of them. Major one is integer, float, string, boolean, and complex. These are the things. I think I can say first six people is major. Remaining all also possible, but we may not use those things as a data type. Normally people used to call it data structures. List is a data structure. Tuple is a data structure. Set is a data structure. Dictionary is a data structure, something like that. But you can say those are also data types. Primary things are integer, float, complex, boolean. These are the primary things. Integer, float, complex, right? Boolean, string. There are so many things, but I written major things. Yeah, so I written few things. Now let's move to the next one. Yeah, can everyone try this? What is the output of this program? Can everyone try this? What is the output of this program? Everyone try. What is the output of this program? Everyone try. What is the output of this program? Please try, everyone. What is the output of this program? So I am giving the line numbers also. Line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Totally 12 lines program it is. Can you say one by one output? Total is equal to 10. See this one. Total is equal to 10. Some important points are there. I want to say that is the reason I given this program. See, total is equal to 10. It is a definition. Memory will be created. Inside 10 will be stored. First line is completed. See the second line. Total is equal to 999. Remember everyone. The purpose of this problem is this only. Total. See this one. Two totals are there. Remember, capital total is different. Small total is different. What is the meaning? This total is one more variable. These two are different. Remember, like A variable, B variable. These two are different. I want to say that Python language is a case sensitive language. I want to say that Python language is a case sensitive language. Let me go back and let me write that. Python language is a case sensitive language. I am writing that point also. Python language is case sensitive language. Python language is case sensitive language. These two are different. A is equal to 10, A is equal to 10, A is equal to 20. These two are different. Because if I say print A, 10 will be printed. If I say print capital A, 20 will be printed. This is the meaning of case sensitive. If I say small a, this 10 is printing. If I say capital A, this 20 printing. So Python language is a case sensitive language. It is a case sensitive language. If anyone don't know, please take care. That is the purpose of this problem. This problem purpose is that only. I want to say Python language is a case sensitive language. So at the 2000 memory location, one more variable total will be created. Inside 999 will store. That is the second point. Now see the answer. Print total. Print total. You know very well. Variable means inside. Variable means inside. 10 will be printed. Next one. Print total. Variable means inside. This variable. Inside 999. So 999 will be printed. Now one important thing. Everyone try to understand. One important thing. Right. So everyone know this is the variable. Variable name. So variable name contain. Normal alphabets also. A to Z also, either capital letter or small letter, right? I think the digits also you can give digits also. One more variable is total 123. One more variable is total 123. It is having its own memory location 3000. There 10 will be stored. Afterwards, total 789. Total 789. This is one more variable. Total 789. Inside that 999 will be stored. Address of this one is 4000. Remember, these all variables are different. These all variables are different. Capital, small also different. And some people are asking, sir, inside variable name, what will be there? Normal alphabets will be there, digits also there. Right? Variable name contain, right? Normal letters also, alphabet also, and digits also. You can use mix of those. Capital letters also you can use, small also. You can use the digits also. So 4 variables are created till now. Now see this one. Print total 1123. Print total 1123. Total 1123. Let me check here. It may be 1123. It may be 1123. So 10 will be printed. This will be this is the thing what he is asking. Next one, print total 789. 999 will be printed. Until now everything is okay, but understand everyone, right? Variable name contain alphabet also and digits also. Starting digits not allowed. Variable name starting with the digit not allowed. Error will come. Variable name starting with the digit not allowed. Error will come. At this place error will come. So when you try to print 1 2 3 total, error will come. So this is the error area. Variable name cannot start with the digit. Variable name cannot start with the digit. Variable name or function name. Let me write now. Variable name or function name. Variable name or function name. Remember these two are also called as identifier. These two are also called as identifier. Identifier name cannot start with the digit. Cannot start with the digit. Cannot start with the digit. Digit can be there. Digit can be there in the middle. Digit can be there at the end. Right? Identifier name contain digit. Okay. Where? Middle also okay. End also okay. Second place also okay. Third place also okay. But cannot be start. Identifier name cannot start with the digit. So here error will come. At this area, error will come. So until here, no problem. Until here, no problem. Until here, no problem. At this place, problem will come. Variable name starting with the digit, error will come. It will say that identifier name cannot start with the digit. Identifier name cannot start with the digit. That kind of error message it will give. It will give error message. Identifier name cannot start with the digit. I think this one, everyone is clear. Now can we see this problem? Which one of the following are valid Python identifiers? Which one of the following are valid Python identifiers? Can you check this? Let's see how many people will give answer. What is the answer for this problem? Which of the following are valid Python identifiers? Let's see how many people will give. Which of the following are valid Python identifiers? Try everyone. Which of the following are valid Python identifiers? Everyone try. Which of the following are valid Python identifiers? Out of these 7, which are true, which are false? Everyone try. Out of these 7, which are true, which are false? Identifier name cannot start with the digit. Identifier name cannot start with the digit. Identifier may contain digit. Starting with the digit is not a good idea. So this is wrong. Total 1, 2, 3 is right. Java to share, this is also right. Remember everyone, identifiers is one. Identifier cannot start with the digit. Cannot start with the digit. That is the first rule everyone know. And one more thing. Identifier name cannot contain dollar. Cannot contain dollar. Remember. So this also fail. Dollar is there. Next one. Identifier name can start with underscore. Can start with underscore. End with underscore. Middle also end. Right? Let me read. Can start. With underscore. Or contain underscore. Next one. Variable name. You cannot use keyword as a variable name. See, right? If is a keyword, it is a conditional one. Afterwards, you will get to know. Def is also a keyword. These are reserved keywords. Let me write now. Cannot use keywords. Yes, identifiers. Cannot use keywords as identifiers. Cannot use keywords as identifiers. So be careful. This can be used. This cannot be. So someone is mentioned 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. No. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Which of the following are valid Python identifiers? 2 also, 3 also, 5 also. 2 also, 3 also, 5 also. Fine. 2 also, 3 also, 5 also. Can start with the underscore. Can contain underscore. Starting with underscore, ending with underscore, middle underscore, it's okay. But starting with a digit not allowed. Dollar is not allowed. Keywords you cannot use as identifiers. Keywords you cannot use identifiers. Is it okay? Bro, Jaswant bro, is it okay? Jaswant bro, is it okay? Which of the following are valid Python identifiers? Cannot use keywords as identifiers. Cannot start with the digit. Cannot contain dollar. Yeah, keyword can start with underscore, end with underscore, middle underscore, one underscore okay, two underscore okay, three also, many also okay. It is up to you. So I think it is a very basic point. I thought of clearing it out, so I done it. Now, can you see this one? It is also very interesting. It is also very interesting. Can you see this program and try? Can you see this program and try? Let me give the numbers also. Line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, line number 4. Yeah, go one by one. Go one by one and complete the answer. Go one by one and complete the answer. Go one by one and complete the answer. Fine. Go ahead one by one. Go ahead one by one. I'm starting. Everyone knows. Some people are asking. Sir, what is the first statement, sir? C is equal to 5 plus 6j. Listen, variable C memory will allocate inside 5 plus 6j. Remember, this is the complex number. Complex number contain two parts. A plus bj means two parts. I think real part, imaginary part. Real part, imaginary part. So it's a complex number. From the memory location 1000 onwards, this complex number will store. How much memory doesn't matter. Because here one variable contains so many types. So you no need to bother what is the size and all. Really not required. Really not required. So simply say, right, whenever definition is happened, memory allocated, how much doesn't matter. How much doesn't matter. Right? So C is equal to 5 plus 6j for the complex variable. For the complex variable, right, C purpose memory will be allocated. 1000 onwards memory will be allocated. Okay, fine. So next one, B is equal to true. B also memory allocated. True. Next one, print type of B. Listen, everyone know. Inside B, you stored true. Inside B, you stored true. So type of B. Remember, true or false means Boolean. Type is Boolean, right? Print Boolean. So it will be printed first. Inside B, you stored Boolean. So print type of B. Type of B is Boolean. So print Boolean. So that is the first one. Now see the answer. Print type of C. What is the type of C? Inside C, you stored one complex number. So complex number. Type of, right? Type of C is a complex. Print complex. Second complex will be printed. Second complex will be printed. Now see the next one. Again see this one. A memory will allocate for integer purpose. Some memory location 3000 onwards. Some memory location 3000 onwards memory allocated. For B also memory allocated. 20 is the data, address is 4000. 4000 onwards memory allocated. Now C is equal to A less than B. Can you help me? A 10, B 20. 10 less than B. 10 less than 20, condition true. 1. True means 1. True. So C contain true. Remember, true means 1. It's very, very interesting. True means 1. Inside C, it will store true. True means 1 will be stored. Now see the answer. D also memory will be allocated. So A greater than B. Condition is fail. Fail means false. False means 0. So inside D, false will be stored, which is 0. From the memory location, it may be 5,000. From the memory location, it may be 6,000. That is okay. So now observe. Print C. What is the C? Inside C, true there. True means 1. True means 1. So print C. C means 1, which is the true. So now see this one. True will be printed. True also okay. 1 also okay. True will be printed. Next one, print D. Inside D, false there, means 0. 0 will be printed. 0 means false. So here true will be printed, here false will be printed. Now very important one, very important one, everyone try to understand. True means 1, true means 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So D contain 2. True means 1, false means 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. E contain 1. E contain 1. Let's see this one. D contain 2, okay? E contain 1. Okay, this is also fine. Now see the answer. Print D. 2 will be printed. Next one, print E. So 1 will be printed. Lastly, this is a very important one. Lastly, print type of F. Type of F. Can you help me now? Nowhere F is there. See, nowhere F is defined. If you say type of F, it will give error. F is undefined. It will give error. F is undefined. So this is called definition. 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 See, nowhere F is defined. Nowhere F is defined. If you say type of F, nowhere F is there. So F is undefined. Error message you will get. F is undefined. Error message you will get. F is undefined. Error message you will get. Right? Fine. So the purpose of this problem is, again I want to explain data type. Again I want to explain data type. How much memory allocating? Don't worry. Simply memory allocated. Definition happened. Memory allocated. Because of one person only, so many times memory keep on allocating. It doesn't matter how much time. In the examination, they will give types also. Because system to system, types are keep on changing. System to system, types are keep on changing. In the examination, if at all really size required, they will say integer is these many bytes, character is these many bytes, float is these many bytes. They will clearly mention in the examination if required. In the examination, if required, they will clearly mention. You no need to bother about type. You no need to bother about size, because sizes are really required. In the examination, they will mention. For one person, memory will be allocating again and again, because the reason is the types are keep on changing. Right? So suppose if you say C is equal to 5 plus 6J, somewhere memory allocated. One more time, if you say C is equal to something, right? If it is possible, same memory it will take. If not possible, some other memory, because types are keep on changing. I cannot give guarantee one person having always same memory. Space may not be enough also. At this space, if I store integer, let us in the 2 bytes. I am storing one string which may be required 100 bytes. 100 bytes memory may not be available. It will be allocated some place, some other place. So for the same variable, because of types are keep on changing, maybe same memory, maybe different memory, depending upon the availability of space. It's a very nice one. I feel everyone is comfortable. Little small doubt also there, please let me know. So I think let me explain one by one. It is the first problem of today's class. It is the first problem of today's class. It is the second problem of today's class. It is the third problem of today's class. It is the fourth problem of today's class. I think now time is over. I think now time is over. Now time is over. Those people who want to prepare for GATE 2026 or 27. 2026 or 27, if you are preparing. So my request is start as soon as possible. You people, please start as soon as possible. If you start late, you may not get enough advantage. Start as soon as possible. There is a code also available. So code also I am showing on the screen. Code also available. Use that code. You will get the 45% discount. Any small doubt also there, just WhatsApp me. I am going to help you. Just WhatsApp me. I am going to help you. Right? Fine. Perfect. Yeah. I think we'll see in the tomorrow's class. Right? Please, make sure you don't miss one class also. Please make sure you don't miss one class also. My request is total notes, whatever I am doing, please take care. Total notes, whatever we are doing, please take care. Yeah, perfect. Thanks. See you in the next class. Thank you. See you in the next class.